Good morning students. Let's introduce myself. I am AVK Ratnakumari, social teacher, KGBV Chodavaram, Visakhapatnam. How are you studying at home? Hope you are good students and studying well. Take care yourself children. Here KGBV providing online classes to help you to understand the concept in your textbook. Okay, today we will learn the 9th class third lesson, hydrosphere. What is the hydrosphere? All the water bodies on the earth's surface are collectively known as hydrosphere. What is hydrosphere? All the water bodies present on the earth's surface are collectively known as hydrosphere. It comes from the Greek word hydra. Hydra means water. Look at mind map. Look at the mind map for easy understanding. Hydrosphere means lakes, rivers, seas and oceans. So all the water sports means lakes, rivers, seas, oceans. This is called the hydrosphere for the easy understanding. Water undergoes a cycle from the oceans to land, then from land to oceans. The hydrological cycle is circulation of water different forms in three phases. First one is liquid, second one is solid, third one is gases. First one is liquid. For example, the liquid water. For example, the liquid water. Any kind of water. For example, the soil is ice and snow. For example, the solid ice and snow. For example, the gases is water vapor. For example, the gases is water vapor. Children, observe the three forms and three phases. First one is liquid. Liquid, for example, the water and any kind of water. Second one is solid. Solid, for example, the solid, ice and snow. For example, the gases, water vapor. Water boiling, the water changes in water vapor. The hydrological cycle sometimes expressed mathematically. The hydrological cycle sometimes expressed mathematically. RF equal to RO plus RF equal to RO plus ET. RF equal to RO plus ET. RF equal to rainfall. RF equal to rainfall including the all types of precipitation. RF equal to rainfall includes the all types of precipitation. RO means runoff. RO means runoff. Runoff means rainy water flow the earth surface. Running water, rainy water flow the earth surface. RO means runoff. The surface of earth. ET means evaporation transpiration. ET means evaporation transport. transpiration. So, RF equal to RO plus EP. RF means rainfall, includes the all types of precipitation. RO means runoff, the surface of earth. ET means evaporation, transpiration. Do you know how clouds water in it? Do you know? Do you know how clouds water in it? Let's get into the topic hydrocycling to the answer. There are 6 stages of water cycle. There are 6 stages of water cycle. First one is evaporation. Second one is transpiration. First one evaporation, second one transpiration. Third one condensation. Fourth one is precipitation. Observe the hydrological cycle. This is the sun. This is the ocean. This is the ocean. Ice. This is the groundwater. Process to reverse. This is the surface flow. Surface flow. This is the reverse. Next. Vegetation. This is the hills. This is the clouds. is the transfer. There are 6 stages of water cycle. First one is evaporation. The water transferred the surface to atmosphere. Surface to atmosphere. The process by water changes the water vapor. So, and sun heats provides the energy and water changes the water vapor. This form of changes a liquid to a gas. One is transportation. Water vapor, water evaporation, the water vapor transported to atmosphere in form of clouds. The clouds propelled the one place to another place by either the upper air circulation. So, form of clouds. Third one is condensation. The transported water vapor eventually condenses. Example, tiny droplets, clouds. Tiny droplets, clouds. This form of gases to liquid. Easy identify the water vapor changes to water. This is called the condensation. Fourth one is precipitation. Transporting water from atmosphere to earth surface. Surface to earth surface is called the precipitation. When the clouds meet, with one runoff, most of the water which returns the land flows down hills. The land flows down the hills. Is known as runoff. Is groundwater. Soil will absorb some rainwater. The flow of groundwater is much slower than runoff. This is called the groundwater. So the precipitation water, atmosphere, the precipitation water go to slowly in the groundwater. This is called the groundwater. So they how clouds have water into. So this is called the water cycle. Did you ever doubt why there is a scarcity of water, although there are many oceans and seas on the earth? Get into the water source to know the answer. This is the earth. There is the 4 parts in 29% occupied the land. In 71% occupy the land, earth and the water. Sources. So, children, observe the table. Reservoir and percentage of total water. First one is oceans. Ninety-seven point 25. Oceans percentage 97.25. Second one is ice caps and glaciers. Ice caps and glaciers percentage 2.05. Next one, groundwater. Groundwater percentage 0.68. Lakes 0.01%. Next one, soil moisture 0.05. Atmosphere. Next one, atmosphere 0.01. Next one, rivers 0.0001. 0.01. Next one, biosphere 0.00001. 0.004. If we assume water as 100%, if we assume water 100%, in saline water 97.25%. Saline water means salt water. Saline water means salt water. This is the not useful water and not drinking water. Next one, fresh water. Fresh water 2.75 only percentage only. The lakes and reservoir and rivers the fresh water only 0.26%. Lakes 0.26% only. So understand, children. So 21% water. So salt water is the 97.25. This is the not using the drinking water, because so scarcity of the water. Okay, understand? Continents and oceans are the first order relief features of the earth. First order the used water bodies are called oceans. The geographers divided into 5 oceans. Pacific Ocean. Rank first rank 1 Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean separates the Asia and Ocean, separates from America. from America. Students, the first one is Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean and largest. Students, look at the world map. Observe. So the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. This is called the equator. This is called the equator. 0 degree latitude is called the equator. Equator upper the northern and down the southern. So this is the Pacific Ocean. North Pacific Ocean and South Pacific Ocean. Okay, North Pacific Ocean and South Pacific Ocean. So Pacific Ocean separates the Asia and Oceania and from the America. So from children, Asia separates the Asia and Oceania and separates the from America. Next one, the second ocean, Atlantic Ocean. Second one, Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean separates America from America. Atlantic Ocean separates from America. The second biggest ocean, Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean separates the America from Europe and Africa. So this is called Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean, North Atlantic and South Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean separates the America from Europe and Africa continent. Okay, understand children? The third biggest ocean, Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean passes upon southern Asia and separates Africa and Australia continents. Africa and Australia. This is the Indian Ocean. This is the Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean passes upon southern Asia. So and separates the Africa and Australia continents. Okay, children, this is the Indian Ocean. So passes upon the southern Asia and separates the Africa and Australia continents. Fourth was an Antarctic Ocean and Southern Ocean. Sometimes considered an extension of Pacific and Atlantic and Indian Oceans and encircles Antarctica. consider an extension Pacific, Atlantic and Indian Oceans. Which 10 circles and Antarctica. Children, so this is called the Antarctic Ocean and Southern Ocean. This is called the Antarctic and Southern Ocean. Sometimes considered the Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean. Is called the Southern Ocean and Antarctic Ocean. So this is the Antarctic Ocean and Southern Ocean. Sometimes considered the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean extension of the Antarctic Ocean and Southern Ocean. Sometimes consider the Atlantic Ocean much of covered the Arctic. Gases upon North America and Eurasia. So the fifth one is Atlantic Ocean. This is the smallest ocean. Sometimes considered the Atlantic Ocean. Much of the covered Arctic versus upon the North America and Eurasia. So this is called the Arctic Ocean. This is called the Arctic Ocean. Sometimes considered the Atlantic Ocean. Sometimes extension the considered the Atlantic Ocean. So much of the covered the Arctic. Much of the covered the Arctic and versus upon the North America and Eurasia. Eurasia means Europe plus Asia. Europe plus Asia. Okay? Okay, understand children? Okay, let's revise children. How many oceans are there? Okay, there are 5 oceans. The first one is Pacific Ocean. The second one is Atlantic Ocean. The third one is Indian Ocean. The fourth one is Antarctica Ocean. And fifth one is Arctic Ocean. Okay. The biggest ocean, which is the biggest ocean? Okay, Pacific, very good. Which is the smallest ocean? Arctic Ocean. Okay, very good children. Okay, observe the world map. The Pacific Ocean. Pacific, the both sides, the Pacific Ocean. This is North Pacific and South Pacific. See, border is the 0° latitude equator. Okay, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean and the Indian Ocean, the Antarctica Ocean and Southern Ocean, and this is the Arctic Ocean. Okay children? Do you know, children? Millions of years ago, oceans were combined together. The single super ocean was Pantalsa. Okay, children. Present 5 oceans: Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Ocean, and Antarctica and Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. 5 oceans combined together the only one single super ocean, Pantalsa, in millions years ago. Okay, understand, children?